Nearly there with cleaning up.
Huh?
I was talking to the camera. It's causing worse it, bud. You got my dick in your face a minute. Ugh. Essentially painted and cleaned up under there. Engine mounts cleaned up and painted. Head's been painted. Got a little bit of paint on the pickup. Bit more cleaning up to do a bit along here. Bit more cleaning up in the throttle body. It's in the cam cover right now. That way we can put that one back on before we clean this. So I'll get that to clean up. Throttle body, spacer. And then it's a case of oil filter. Do the oil, put belts on. And that's about it, to be fair. Just, yeah, go from there. Done. Go in red texture, wrinkle stuff for the cam cover. It's gold engine enamel for the odd little bits. Silver and black high temp for the block and head. I'm going to clean up a few lines here and there. Move stuff around, shorten a bunch of stuff up, just basically save a bunch of space. Get that over there and then move on from there. So she's pretty much tidied up. We've got to get the wire loom when we do the other engine, because this one had the auto loom. We've got that throttle body to clean up. We're doing away with all the coolant lines for the throttle body, so that's going to save a bit of space. Should make up a bit of room, tidy everything up. We'll reroute a lot of the wiring too, so it generally looks tidier. But then this will have to go to one side until we get the engine out of his engine bay, paint the bay, tidy it up a bit, do some wiring. But we're not far off now. Coming along pretty damn good, isn't it?
Well, this one seems to get the shine out. Yeah.
Because I think it could polish up really good, can it?
Yeah, if I take some time with it.
It's just whether or not it could be asked with that. Or paint. Comes down to what you end up wanting to do.
Look at that.
It's coming up good. It's not going to take a crazy amount, is it?
I don't know. That looks really nice though.
Yeah, so we're just going to carry on doing this. We're going to clean up the starter, do the throttle body, and then, yeah, we'll update you if we go along with that.
Bro, I don't know if...
Oh, yeah. Just to break it up a little bit. Yeah, shine's coming along pretty good.
That is just muddy.
No,
The
that's
thing
it.
is, because of this and obviously my engine and obviously because I'm starting working again, I don't want to overhand so it's too much shit lying around. So I'd rather just, on my 4 days working, leave some space in, and on my days off again, I'll just fucking start.
Try and, yeah, more and more.
Yeah.
I mean,
At the end of the day, it's just a hobby. It's not like it needs to be done ASAP, you know?
I mean, today we can get this one put
Yeah,
back
away.
together, yeah.
That's my goal today, if you know what I mean.
At least then he's out of the way.
Then I know at least I can be like,
Yeah.
before I start working again. Before I think, and then I can think about extra things what I want to do meanwhile instead of rushing it.
Yeah, well, once he's back in out of the way, we can kind of be
I'll
alright.
order water bottle from my water reservoir because I got that little thing in the boot of my car.
Yeah, the pump.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll change that out. You might want to consider oil filter relocation.
Yeah, so yeah,
Like
but
I have on mine.
with that oil filter and stuff, I'm gonna need to wait until I save up some cash. And obviously I've got other car fucking MOT and stuff.
Yeah.
Everything is piling up together.
That's the good thing with this one though, it's a project.
Yeah, so I can just, you know, come down with it.
Yeah.
I'm
Like-
gonna sort my road car first.
That's the thing, like you say, it's a case of keeping it a hobby. So you don't essentially
Feel like
ruin it for yourself, yeah.
But so far I'm doing really good, I think.
Yeah, I think it's coming out pretty good.
Sellotape and hammer, bro.
We smash.
Doing it for democracy.
Smash, brother. That one didn't go too well, Andy.
No, it did not.
I had a close-up zoom of that.
Look at that edges.
No, there's a terrible edge.
We'll make another one.
Is that
Hey, look how many are done so far. One had to go wrong. There's always one now.
Oh, I didn't see this one bar. Look at that. It's perfect lines.
I'm not a professional. I'm
Ah,
a
we
fucking
can say-
security guard.
Start painting. Put a couple of coats on now. No idea what we're doing. Right, getting the robot we're trying. Goes on for a body. I just do love your life, Andy.
Oh, I fucking love it. Like, this is my hobby, bro. Like, how much suffering, you know, is needed for this? But, like, this is my hobby, bro.
It's mad, isn't it? When it's your hobby.
People can take golfing and shit, and I'm like, yeah, I'll just,
Just, yeah, suffer, hurt yourself, and be broke. Choose car parts.
hey. It's alright.
It's a choice.
It's a choice. It's a lifestyle. I didn't choose this life, the life chose me. All about the job. All about the job. There you go.
Matt, what their paint would do, make everything look all nice and neat. He's over there attacking bolts. He slingshot the box of bolts.
I slick shot it everywhere, went everywhere.
So now he's stuck looking for bolts.
Like, maybe I'll find them someday.
If not, we'll just rip them off the other engine.
You'll just drive without fewer bolts.
Literally.
Why do you need bolts? Just super glue, gorilla glue,
Gorilla glue, bruv.
gorilla glue.
Blue tack, mate. Throttle body on. Shift that one over there. And then can get onto this new project, which I still haven't even mentioned anything about on the videos. I just keep diverting this one.
There's another one.
No. Yeah, I just keep diverting the truck. Okay. Bam. Done in a second. So, 1, 2, 3. Right. So, there's the throttle body on. We do need to clean up this a bit more actually. I'm going to grab some wipes to do that. Oh, dog did want to go out, but then decided she didn't want to. So, Andy did an oopsie. He broke his fuel rail. Was cleaning that up, trying to undo some bolts, and he snapped the bolt, or snapped the ear off of it. So now the poor boy is out here. Look at him over there. Is it dead, is it?
All dead.
So now he's out. removing the bloody fuel rail. So not the best start to the day, but it could be worse. Yeah, so we're going to check back. I'm just doing a little bit of editing. I'm going to quickly do a bit more. And then we shall check back with Andy in a second and see how he gets on. You don't look like that was...
No, it's quite a stressful thing.
Attempt number 2.
Attempt number 2.
Quite a bit dirtier working on that one outside than you did this one. Right, these spare injectors. At least we got spare injectors.
Yeah.
Fixed, not fixed, broken. And it appears you leaked something on the floor.
Oh, a little bit of fuel. I promise it ain't flammable.
It smells juicy. I think we should smoke right now, bro.
I agree. Right next to it, like as we light it, just put your face in it. Would have helped if it was reversed.
One on the end. That was definitely risky, holding it like that.
I was thinking the same thing, but then I was like, it worked, so I feel badass about it. Quickly, everything.
And then...
I was just gonna use the fucking... Oh, no, battery's dead.
Yeah, and then just need to tape off the holes.
The bits, yeah.
Oh,
No, here, just
yeah,
there.
yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Drying up nicely. And then I think, oh, he's looking good. Where's the rail? There it is. And he's now taped up the rail in all the essential spots. So now it's good for a coat of paint. That bracket over there is good for more paint. Beautiful.
Done it. Go for it. It's raining on your butt.